If you own a property in Toronto, you absolutely must know this. All Toronto residential property owners must submit a declaration of their property's 2022 occupancy status by today, February 2nd, 2023. The city's new vacant home tax came into effect on January 1st, 2023 and is based on property's occupancy status for the previous year. Now listen to this. If you fail to declare today the occupancy status, you will be fined $250, and the City of Toronto will assume that your property was vacant in 2022 and will apply an additional 1% tax based on your assessed property value, or $10,000. You will have to submit this declaration every single year to prove that your property was occupied by you, a primary resident, or by a tenant. I really want to help to as many people as possible to submit this declaration on time, and I've included a link in the description below that will take you directly to the submission portal. If you can't submit it online, register here with a request to receive a paper declaration form and I'll send it to you immediately. Now you gotta know this. If you just purchase a property, your offer must be conditional upon receiving proof that the declaration was filed and that the seller will be liable for any penalties if the unit was vacant or the seller failed to file the declaration. If you proceed and purchase the property and there was no report done, the city will put a lien on your property on the new buyer, and you as a new buyer will be liable to pay the vacant home tax. You gotta be really careful with your next steps. I really hope that it helps to as many people as possible. Share it with your friends and family to avoid unnecessary payments.